Oh, Caleb, do you look sad today?
Yes, my toy car broke.
Your car broke? Oh no, that must be very sad. Do you enjoy playing with it?
A lot.
It's very sad when something breaks that you really, really, really like. But you know what, Caleb? It's so much better to be happy than sad. But I think I've got a solution to your sadness, because this car is broken. But you know what came in the mail? Something that came and I started opening it. So continue, Caleb. Let's see what's inside. It is Hot Wheels stuff. So that means Caleb has new cars. Caleb, that must make your heart very happy. It's a pleasure. It's not from me, really. It's actually from Mattel, the toy company. And these are all Hot Wheels. And Hot Wheels are one of the most favorite toys that boys can have.
Thank you, Mattel and Hot Wheels.
Thank you, guys. But Caleb, this is going to make your heart happy. I think we need to open them and see what's inside.
Yeah.
What is this, Caleb? This is a track builder, and it builds tracks for your Hot Wheels. Let's see what it's like. Oh my goodness! 2 green ones, and that looks like a very, very cool car, Caleb. Okay, and you have 3 more. How many cars do you have, Caleb?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6
cars.
Hot Wheels. An orange one. Look at this orange one. And 2 other ones. We're going to build the track, Caleb, and you're going to play with your new Hot Wheels. We are super excited. So listen, look at Caleb. There's not a frown on his face anymore, Caleb. You had a frown on your face when I got here, and you were feeling a little bit sad. But these Hot Wheels put a smile on Caleb's face, and that makes me think of a song. Are you ready to sing with me, Caleb? I think you need to join in before we start playing with these lovely Hot Wheels. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Hooray for Hot Wheels! Thank you for sending us some Hot Wheels, and we are getting ready to test those Hot Wheels.
I made this run. Let's see if they can do this.
Hey, Miss Debbie!